Hey, Dave We Like here with a little tip that you might want to go ahead and start using immediately. This is not a clickbait video, so I'm just going to go straight on into it and tell you what I do in order to get these gift cards. Basically, I use this service called Microsoft Rewards. It is a program that allows you to go ahead and use, of course, Microsoft products, in which in return you'll get points. Yay. And then of course those points will translate on over into the reward that you want it to. Whether or not that is a gift card for Amazon, Walmart, Target, I mean a bunch of different stores except this. So now this is really going to be a lot of fun because I'm going to show you how to do it if you don't already know. This is the Bing.com homepage, which is great. You got some penguin stuff going on, Christmas themed, whether or not you want the fire, the Yule log, and all that jazz in between. Get some Christmas lights. Oh, it's so much fun. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see my login info. Basically, these are my Microsoft Rewards points, 134,000 points. I know I haven't been redeeming recently, all right? I like getting a lot of points. It's a fun number to see how high you can go. Now, if you aren't logged in, it's going to say sign on in. Make sure you click on the sign on in button. It'll sign you on in, clearly. Let's go ahead and do that. I go ahead and click on Microsoft Rewards right there, and it's going to send me to the general Microsoft Rewards homepage. And you can see very quickly rewards in your browser. If you want to go ahead and add the browser extension, you can do that and get 30 points. You can do all these wonderful things and fun things. Actually, let me turn off Dark Reader as well. So you can see that there is the Long Winter's Nap. This Christmas classic came out this day in 1823. And if I click on this, I'm going to get 10 points just for searching what they wanted me to search and learning in the process of it. You know, it's not exactly completely irrelevant. So there you go. Click on that check mark. Feels good getting that 10 points. Of course, if I want to take a quiz in the meantime, I can do that as well. Get 30 points for doing that. As well as there's even a poll that allows me to get 10 points. So that's really cool. Now, as I continue to scroll, there's more activities to gain some quick points. So there are some suggested rewards, but we're going to go ahead and click on See All Rewards just to see what's going on in the neighborhood, in which there's lots of sweepstakes. Personally, you know, it's like gambling in a way. You're not going to win. So don't do those. That's stupid. Scroll on the way to the bottom. Okay, so here's the fun stuff where we've got lots of Amazon.com gift cards, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, AMC, go see a movie, Burger King, Chipotle, Hulu, Target, Walmart, Regal, as well as Domino's, Sephora. So what's great is I can go ahead and see very quickly how many points I need now. Of course, this is 5,250 points. Once I have that number, I click on Redeem Rewards, and I have the option, of course, whether or not getting a $5 gift card, a $10 gift card, 25. So very simply, the $25 gift card is 26,000 points. The $10 is 10,000 points, and the $5, again, is 5,000 points. If we click on Status, we can see how many points we've earned over our lifetime, how many we've redeemed, as well as we can see that I'm a level 2 member, in which, you know, there are different levels. You'll very much so begin at level 1 when you first get your account, but as you kind of use it more and more, you'll rise like me to level 2, and if you have Xbox Live Gold, you'll become a level 2 plus Xbox Live Gold. So different tiers and benefits there, in which now we can go ahead and see what was it? My points breakdown. Yes. So we can actually see on a day-to-day basis how we're doing. What are we missing out? How many more points we could potentially earn? In which, first off, if I use that Microsoft Edge browser instead of Chrome, I could get up to 20 points per day by just simply using that and switching on over. And then secondly, we can see my PC search results for this day, in which I'm around 50 points so far, so out of a cap of 150 per day. And mobile search, I haven't been doing much of that today, but so far gotten 10 points out of 100 possible. So clearly you can kind of quickly see from this how many days and how many searches you'll have to do to get your gift card that you're looking for. And so anytime I just type in something, you know, for example, completely pointless, but I gained some points here. So let me do it again. So right now we're at 956. So we should gain 5 points. And just like that, there you go. We gained some points. So it's really, really simple to go ahead and do this because you're going to do it anyway. You know, you're going to use maps, you're going to use news, you're going to look for images on the internet. I use this service every day. It's really awesome and a great way to just, you know, basically get stuff for free. I'm Dave We Like, so make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you next time.